Hello traders, welcome to Investoo.com's The Essential Guide to Supply and Demand Trading. In this lesson we are going to learn what supply really is. And we're going to go to the Euro US dollar 1 hour chart. But first of all, let me tell you let me define you what supply means. Supply is the measure of how much of a particular currency is available at one time. As the supply of a currency increases, the currency becomes less valuable. Conversely, as the supply of a currency decreases, the currency becomes more valuable. So basically, a supply zone, the entire supply, is the measure of how much of this currency is available at one time to be purchased. So, supply zones or important supply zones are the zones where we are going to have a lot of this commodity or this particular instrument available for purchase. This means that supply is going to be a resistance zone. And the reason this supply is going to be a resistance zone is because of this. Let's imagine that this is a supply zone. So these are the available lots in the market for buyers to buy. This means that if price is trading at this level, all right, at this particular level, then buyers are going to have to make price or to trade price up. And by trading price up, they are eating through the supply. This means the supply of this currency is decreasing and making it more valuable. Why? Because price is going up. When price hits a new important zone of supply, then the supply meets the demand, all right? And when the supply meets the demand, well, the demand has to eat through it. And if it doesn't, then price is going to come down. Why? Because the supply of this currency is increasing. Now, this is what basically supply means. Where are we going to find the supply zones? Well, that's easy. You are going to find supply zones where you normally spot resistance areas, okay? For example, and the reason we are going to be using supply or demand instead of resistance zones is because if you start using every resistance zone in your charts, then your charts going to be looking something like this, all right? And to be very honest, they're going to be untradeable, and these levels are not going to be working for you. So basically, what we want to do is to spot the true areas where price is going to react, all right? And we are going to look back at price, and we are going to look at areas where has uh, price has bounced from, all right? Right here, you can see that, buyers moved price up or traded price up, and then we had a very strong reaction of this zone where sellers were entering heavily the market. And then we had the same reaction here, all right? So by looking at the reaction in the past, you can expect to have a reaction in the future. And you can continue to do so. And as you can see right here, this is the non-farm payroll, guys. Spike, and with the non-farm payroll, with the non-farm payroll spike, you can see that this was the zone where traders chose to take profits. Okay, so supply zones are zones of important resistance in the past. Now, in further lessons, we are going to show you how to spot them correctly and how to draw them correctly, and of course, how to trade from them. But for the time being, we just wanted you to understand what supply really is.